Good day, everybody. We're at Phaya Khankhak in Yasothon. You can go up to the viewpoint up there. It's the 5th floor. Nice place to come visit. It's Tuesday and they're closed on Tuesdays. Pick another day. Jai's standing here in front of the big toad. It's like 5 stories tall, and up there in the glass section on top is the observatory where you can look out and see everything that's all around here. Unfortunately, it's Tuesday and they're closed, so we're not able to do anything here. And behind here is the rocket it represents the fireworks display that they do here, I'm assuming once a year, and they have dancers and musicians that come.
They call Rocket Festival.
It's the Rocket Festival, okay. So these little statues represent the dancers and the drum team that plays for the dance routine. And in the back here is the rocket that's towed by horses. And this is used for the fireworks display that they put on during the Rocket Festival. Jai's gonna go over there and tame the horses. So it shows you how big they are. It's a pretty big deal. I intend to fly the drone here if it's kind of windy, so hopefully I can. And we'll see if I can get a better aerial view. The toad is Phaya Khankhak. Phaya Khankhak. And here's the park that separates between the toad and Phaya Thaen, which is the big snake. And there's a lake that is right here. Beautiful location. Unfortunately, we came here on a Tuesday, so they're closed, and we weren't able to go inside. So I got my love here standing in front of the hearts. So it's a really beautiful setting. Yeah, Jai's saying that you can come here to exercise in the mornings.
Yeah, I can do exercise here.
Oh, so they got the little, shoot, I got brain, my brain isn't working, I can't remember, elliptical. I think it's called elliptical. Jai's getting her exercise for the day. We got up early and left.
Come to exercise in Yasothon, Phaya Thaen.
Then this one here, you can spin and twist to work on your waist. Yeah. And then farther down here, they have stationary bikes. So you see the lake, the water level's kind of low. It's usually during and right after the rain season. It's much fuller, all the way up to the concrete step area.
The angel, you see the angel?
Okay, Phaya Thaen represents the angel.
Yeah.
All right.
Phaya Thaen. And this is the museum Phaya Thaen.
And the Phaya Thaen is the big snake. And that's where you enter in for the museum of it. I'll walk out here towards the lake area so we get a better view.
Rocket festival for Phaya Thaen.
So the rocket festival is for the snake, Phaya Thaen. Now they're wet, stay off. Stationary bike, and this one's a rowing machine. They're wet, they just had all the sprinklers running.
Skill, no exercise this morning. That's the building, like a museum.
Yeah, you can go in the museum, and I don't know if you can go up in the snake like you can in the toad. In the toad you can.
Yeah. Very nice area. You can come in the morning or in the evening. Huh?
Yeah, I would say the earlier you come, probably the better.
Yeah.
But this snake is like,
Very long.
I don't know, it's like 200 feet long,
Very long.
something like that. Okay, we hope you enjoyed coming and seeing this location with us. It's quite nice. Unfortunately, we caught it when it was dark. If you're not a subscriber, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Oh,